So what's up guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Investing with Ralph, where I talk about everything investing and investment. And in this video I am going to be continuing my YouTube gaming stock series, and we are going to be talking about Inspired, uh, a company called Inspired. Alright, if you are new to this channel, click on the subscribe button and click on the notification bell beside the subscribe button so you get a notification whenever I do a new video. If you see this on Facebook, like, comment, share, and follow the page. Alright guys, let's get into the video. So first things first, the company we're talking about is Inspired. Their name actually is Inspired Entertainment Incorporated. Alright, so basically what they do is, you know what, I'm just going to read it off their website, which is very nice. When you come into their website, this is what you see, which is cool. They just show you what they're about: virtual sports, gaming, interactive, and leisure. They actually have like physical stores where they keep these gaming consoles. We like all them consoles, no, like gaming stands or something like that. Gaming stands. And they're into virtual sports, which you will see in this place right here. I think it was showing like that's right here. Very nice website. I really like what they did with their website. It's kind of cool. I appreciate whoever they paid to do this website, like, did a very good job. Then what was it? Man, just take my cookie. Stop asking me this cookie question, for Christ's sake. Okay, let's move on to the about. Inspired offers an expanding portfolio of content, technology, hardware, and services for regulated gaming, betting, lottery, social, and leisure operators across retail and mobile channels around the world. Now I need to tell you something. Approximately 35 jurisdictions worldwide, 50,000 gaming machines located in betting shops and pubs, gaming halls, and other operations. And they have a 44,000 retail channels and 100 plus digital games, for 100 plus website for digital games. Okay, and that is basically what they do: gaming, lottery, and and betting. If you follow me on Twitter mostly, and I think I've talked about this in some other videos, you will see that gambling and betting are gambling, betting, and lottery are very good businesses, because they also pose an addiction. I have always said is that addiction is one of the best investments you can ever make. That is, making a business around people's addiction is one of the best investments. There is no business that is um that is tied to people's addictions that is making a loss. For example, the cigarette companies, that's just one step. I know it sounds weird and it sounds kind of bad, like morally thinking, taking advantage of people's addiction, but well, you didn't get them addicted in the first place, so it's not your fault. So that's just basically, and that is what I like about these guys: their ability to bank on addictions, which betting and lottery, which is nice. They also have what else is on their about us? I mean, this page, their website is so simple. Look at this about us, just so simple. Two columns, about us and a video, which you can watch from Vimeo, by the way. I just did rhyme. Thank you. I think I should rap or something. Okay, let's get to the most important stuff: their stock. I still have something else to show you, but I'm going to show you after I show you the stock. So their stock price right here, their ticker symbol is INSE. That's how you find them. Their stock price is $7.84, which is still below my $10 mark, within my $10 mark for stocks, which is what I bring to you basically. Let's see, and this is their charts. What's there? I will not get into their financial details from this page, but I'm going to show you their financial details from their website. I also want to talk about something on their website. I like the fact they give you their financial information, like all out, their quarterly results, everything, SEC filings, annual reports, like it's just there on the website. Like you could get anything you want, just like every other website publicly traded, but they make it so easy. It's just nice. Okay, so here's the fun part about this company: they are making money upon money upon money, which is nice. They are making increase, they are increasing in their in their sales, in their revenues, which is nice. So they have their total revenue, their last quarter. I think this is a report I actually opened. Okay, their third quarter for 2020 results, and they actually make money. Their third quarter they made 60.1 million uh, from the UK. They their EBITDA. I'm going to explain what EBITDA is most likely at the end of this video, or you could just Google it. They made 25 million. Their third quarter online revenue. Now, this is what I really like. Their online revenue increased 75%. Like, boom. And then now that is it. That's 75% increase in revenue. That's a lot. Third quarter average customer gross per unit, blah 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 blah, pre-COVID levels, whatever. But this is all I wanted to show you. Just this. This is all the information I needed to just like these guys. Like, I was just like, okay, what the hell are these guys about? Okay, you have physical locations, you have some online games, show me something interesting, and then the financial report comes in, and this is it. They also have liquidity positions. They have cash of 43.9 million at the quarter end, which is nice. So they have a lot of money still, even with the whole COVID brouhaha. You know, I said that like I was laughing. So they have like a lot of money in their pockets to do um, a lot. That's basically how I can say it. So personally, the stock is $7. Would I like to buy it? Yes. Do I like their addiction? The addiction part of their business? Yes, I like it. Do I feel like they might grow? Well, I don't basically base my stocks on feeling, but based on the stats and the facts right here, their gaming hubs, their jurisdictions, their retail channels, and their income revenues, this is a good to go stock. You need to watch out because they also have server based gaming right here. Just go through their website, everything about them is right there. Like, it's just nice, so nice. Like, a lot of games. Wow. So that's it for this video. Don't forget that the link to my course, investing in the stock market for beginners, is um, it will be in the description. Don't forget that I'm still coming up with my uh, my course, which is free. The next course, which is free, which is investing with investing in the stock market using what's this called again? How would I just forget this all of a sudden? Uh, ETFs, yeah, man, so many things on my mind. ETFs and and index. How could I just forget that? Like, that's my entire course. I just did two videos today, even though I've not posted them. Like, how would I just forget something I did today? All right, okay, that's it. So do not forget to take the course if you are new to stock market. I also have a video which is free. If you're new to stock market, you can watch that. If you want to expand your knowledge, you should take my course. It's $10 tops. That's just right there. Okay, I am out. I will be seeing you guys in my next video.